bench. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hey, my fam out on the hill somewhere. They don't know where the pool is.
What is up, you guys? Today we're gonna be working with Tinashe Hair, and they also sent me this bag. In this bag, I'm trying so hard not to show my face or whatever. So in this bag you will see a bonnet, which I'm about to put on right now because y'all, I'm in my stocking cap, so hold on. Well, you guys can see me anyway, so that's perfect. But oh my god, and I was fiending for a new bonnet, you guys, and this bonnet is pretty. Ooh, it's reversible. This bonnet is so pretty. Oh, and it's snug. Okay, I'll say that for later. So you get a bonnet, you get your hair wrap, of course, and your stocking cap, and ooh, some popping lashes, y'all. Alright, so now let's move on to the hair. So this is the box the hair come in, of course. You're gonna open this box. You're gonna pull out your wig. The wig I received is 24 inches. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, and it's 180 density. You guys wanted an updated plucking routine. Alright, so y'all, as you can see, the setup is a little weird right now because my tripod, oh my god, it's so trash. I just literally ordered a new tripod. It's coming tomorrow. Amazon Prime is the GOAT, but it's coming tomorrow. So for now, this video is going to be easy. What I need is only your wig head and a towel. The wig, y'all, this is the curls. It's fire. The hair is soft. No shedding yet. I don't see no shedding. And this is the inside 13x4, like I said. And they also give you the adjustable strap. I usually don't use these. I added my own strap because these don't be tight to me. These be loose in my opinion, but yeah. You're going to be using your knees today, y'all. So the towel is what's going to go over your knee. And you want to double your towel, of course. You're going to take your wig, right? You're going to put the wig over the knee. And then boom, that's even a more easier way for you guys to see how the hairline look, because when you're plucking it, bless you, when you're plucking it on the canvas head, you guys honestly can't really see how it's gonna look on your head because it's not giving scalp. The canvas head don't really give scalp. I feel like with the white towel you can see more, like you can see way more of how the wig is going to look. I want to make sure you guys have like a good angle. You're gonna need, of course, your spray bottle and a comb, well, comb, brush, whatever you prefer, and your tweezers. Make sure your tweezers are good and sharp. I love using the metal tweezers. I feel like it grabs better than other ones. So we're going to go ahead and wet behind that hairline. Brush that through. Because the hairline in the front is already plucked, so we don't need to repluck that and get any bald spots. Don't mind my burn, y'all. I'm so sorry. I burnt myself. You guys know every time I try to curl my hair, I always burn myself. Hopefully, like I said, this is a good angle. I don't have my tripod, y'all, so I'm sorry if this is not a good angle for some of you guys. People, they part pluck. I used to do that, but I'm gonna hold the front, the baby hair, and I'm gonna hold the lace, and I'm just gonna start plucking. And I'm just plucking. Like no specific way, just pluck. Never pluck in the same area. Like, when I say same area, you don't sit in one area and just keep plucking. You always move. Because if you sit in one area and keep plucking, you're going to have a bald spot. So you guys see this before, right? I'm going to show you that after. Watch me go to work. Now this hair is so easy to pluck. I love it because most wigs aren't easy to pluck. So, can you guys see a little bit of a difference already? Right there. Right in that area, you see a difference already. I'm going for a real natural hairline, y'all. So I want mine to be like real, you could choose the type of hairline you want, but I want to go for a real natural hairline, y'all. So I'm going to really be plucking this thing, okay? And look, you guys. You see that? It's already looking natural to me. This isn't a bald spot right here. If you feel like you have a bald spot, don't worry, because remember the little hairs you have up here, once you push that back, look how natural that look. You Gucci, you feel me? So the baby hair we had separated in the beginning. Now, I mean, it's up to you. You could be done right here. But me, I like to go in again and just not make this look so, you know, uniformed. Because our natural hairline is not like that. This looks way too uniform for me. So I'm going to go in and pluck lightly. I'm not going to pluck OD, y'all. You're just going to go in and pluck lightly so it won't look too bald. And by lightly, this is what I mean by lightly. I'm going to hold the lace and hold this. And you're just going to 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See? Lightly. Just lightly. Lightly. You don't want to do OD, y'all. Because if you do OD, shit, girl, you're going to have some bald spots. So you're just going lightly. Just so it won't look so uniformed, you know? And y'all, I can honestly say, lately, y'all, I've been so lazy with plucking. But right here, I just went all out, y'all. My wigs haven't looked like this in a minute. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I've been real lazy with plucking, y'all. So, this right here, I wish I could pluck it, but that is where the wigs... But that is where they start sewing the webs. This is a 13x4. So, this is how it looks so far, y'all. With one side done. Now, if you followed all the steps that I just said, y'all wig should look exactly like this. Exactly like this. If it don't, you guys can always hit me up, y'all. If you're confused or something, you guys can always hit me up. The first side compared to the original side, which is like this. This is the original side, and this is the plucked side. Big difference. Huge difference. If you tell me you do not see a difference between this side and the original side, you're bugging. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do the original side. I'm going to say it one more time because I know a lot of people probably didn't catch the first time, or they just want me to say it over again. And if you ever feel like some parts just look too full, just go in and pluck right on top of it, but lightly, y'all. Lightly. Pluck lightly, just like that. Like I said, I want this wig to look real natural. This is a curly hair. I love curly hair installs that just look so natural. So over here just look a little too full to me, so I'm just gonna pluck lightly over there. And you see, just like so, y'all, just like so. I'm gonna be giving Scalpiana. See, I love this side. This side is fire to me. Ooh. Watch the next side don't come out like that. Nah. Alright, y'all. So let's go to the other side. Hold on. This just looks full to me right there. Boom. Okay. Alright, you guys. If you guys hear TV in the background, of course it's my TV. My son is watching TV. But one thing I almost forgot to tell you guys. I feel like this is the main important part. Make sure you part your hair whichever way you're gonna be styling it. Mine is in the middle part, of course, because you guys know I love middle part. So make sure you part your hair first, because if you do all this plucking and then you part your hair, it's gonna look like you have a big bald spot in the middle of your in the middle of your part. So make sure you make sure you part your hair before you pluck. So this is one side, you guys. I'm finally done with one side. I fixed it up how I want it to look. And this is exactly how I want my hair to be looking and plucked. This is real natural, y'all. This is a real natural hairline. So, and like I said, you guys, I haven't plucked like this in a minute. So now it's time to do this side, which doesn't look like the other side. So, like I said, we're going to go over it one more time for the people in the back who didn't hear properly. So you're going to take your tweezers, your comb, whatever. My comb is far from me. I don't feel like getting up. You're going to just pull out the baby hairs that was already plucked. You're going to take your water. You're going to spray. Comb through. Before you start plucking, comb through. Now I usually go from the middle, work my way up. So I'm going to start in the middle right here. Can you guys see? I'm going to start in the middle right here. I'm going to hold the hair and hold the lace on my leg at the same time. And you're just going to... Alright, this is going to be a weird angle because you guys can't see. So let me turn this way. Maybe. Okay? And you're going to just start plucking. Alright, this is a weird angle, you guys. I hope I'm not in the way, but we're just going to start plucking. You guys get the drift because I already explained it to you guys. Start plucking. You guys, I'm gonna pluck this off camera because this is kind of a hard angle, and I'll come back when I'm done. I'm done with the wig. Now, this is how it looks. This is how the wig looks. Okay, I'm turn to the side so you guys can see. Zoom in a little bit for you guys. Now, this is how the wig looks. Okay. Now, you guys don't have to pluck your wig the way I plucked mine. I just wanted a really, really natural look. Like, you can stop whenever you want to stop, or you can pluck however much you want to pluck. But, y'all, this is what I honestly prefer when it comes to laces. So, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Just had a newborn with a new ground and a new tone. You can cry now, I'ma still go. Don't hit my phone unless my blue binge. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hit my